Hey, look who is 1 month today. Hi. Hey, Mama. Hey. Yes. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good morning, fam.
Hi, guys.
You see, I don't forget it today. Right? Where are we going? Yeah, we're going to pick up baby girl newborn photos from her photo shoot that she did, and I'm excited to see the outcome of those pictures. Hopefully you guys are doing well and having a good day. The cousins are home, so babe and I just on the road gonna run some errands before we get back home. So I think my cousin's gonna also go and run her errands after we get back, but let's see what the day holds. But whatever it is, of course we'll take you guys along. If you're new to our channel, be sure you subscribe, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and press the bell. That way you get your notification when we upload Mondays to Fridays. Love you guys. Baby girl is sleeping in the back, and hey, my girl is 1 month old today.
Happy 1 month.
Time has flown by.
Happy 1 month.
Yeah, happy 1 month, baby Sarah. We love you, and you're getting so big and so pretty, more pretty as the day goes by.
Time flying.
Oh yeah, time is really flying. I can't believe that 1 month ago this time I was in pain. Maybe not yet. I think I was monitoring at this time. But 1 month ago it was magical. At this present moment, it all of it was just everything.
Mama.
And yes, Ty,
Why is it Sarah can't go?
why she can't walk?
Yeah.
Because she's only 1 month old. She's a baby. She'll walk when she reach about 10, 11, 12 months, because you walk when you were 12 months. So maybe she'll walk before 12 months or after 12 months or at 12 months, okay?
Tyler started to make his first step just before 1 year.
Oh yeah.
And he's starting to walk well.
Like a
just
week after
1 year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So 1 year is 12 months, okay? So when she get 12 months,
she'll start walking, and you'll be able to walk on the street with her and hold her hand. You're excited? Yeah, but you have a little wait for that, okay? Right. Anyway, go
when
ahead.
you be red,
When you're wearing red,
when you will be red, you can go to school walking and holding Sarah hand in the same time, walking with Sarah, okay?
okay? But you have to finish out blue first, so you have a little wait, okay? Anyway, you guys, we are out here in the streets, and we'll catch you guys along our day.
Mama,
Yes, Ty?
baby sister is already there when I go to yellow school.
No, she wasn't here when you were in yellow, but she's here now that you're gonna wear blue. Remember, it's blue you're gonna wear September?
Yes, and after I'm gonna wear red.
Yes.
And then I will go back to yellow one.
No. Only she gonna wear yellow when she ready for school. After you wear red, then you're not gonna wear any more colors. That means you'll be a big boy at this
And
time.
you go to the other gate.
And you'll go to the other gate, not the little gate anymore. You'll be a big boy.
At the big gate at school or the school at town?
This school at home. Alright?
Which one?
The one that you're going now. Anyway, you guys, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys along our day. We got her pictures. They are so beautiful. Look at her sleeping. we make a stop at KFC for lunch because we're so hungry. So we're gonna get some lunch, and while we're eating, I'm gonna insert some of the pictures so you guys can see the pictures that we got. Where are we?
KFC.
KFC. It's a KFC.
KFC.
Right. KFC. A lot more.
Right?
We're at supermarket doing a little pickup. Baby girl is in here. Don't know if you can see her. Sleeping. Chilling. Honey, come here. I don't see his milk. Oh, I can take the one in the long box.
This
Alors, regarde maman.
cool.
You're showing Marion or you're showing Faves? Which one?
I'm trying Maya. This is cool.
Alright, come.
This is chocolate happy biscuit and
You say showing
This is for
Marion.
who?
me.
No, this is for Papa on breakfast.
No, it's for me.
Look, this one is not.
Babe, stop provoking peace. He's just playing. He's just playing. Come, give it to me.
Oh,
Come, show the Faves what else we
this
got.
is to give tough toss to Tyler.
Ah!
It's written tough toss to Tyler. You want tough toss? You don't want tough toss? Okay, so we're gonna make soft
Babe,
toss.
stop provoke him.
What is that?
Go.
This is for ham.
It's
No,
for
this is not
ham.
for ham.
It's ham for...
For us.
Chicken.
Chicken to go with Tyler. Haha, when I eat Tyler, I eat chicken on the side.
Chicken.
And this is to clean who?
Me, my ear.
Oh, your ears?
Yeah, this is to clean my ear.
It's hot enough. People around me make me sweat.
I'm going
We need a
banana,
things on top here.
banana.
Come.
This is for Mama in the middle of the night when she
There's
said
no shame in my
in
game.
the
Come.
middle of the night.
Jesus
Oh, this
Christ.
is from
boy.
one biscuit she got 2 biscuits.
He may get many
She
biscuits.
got mini biscuits. Oh,
Come.
yeah. Damn, he's got muscle because back in the time he couldn't
Lift
carry
that.
this 2 kg.
Come, show Faves what else is in the bag.
Oh, this is happy juice for Tyler to make him happy.
Die. Leave Rowena alone. Come.
Juice and juice and juice on top of juice.
Oh, yeah.
We got 4 big apple juice, 1 big orange, Coca-Cola, and this and
This is with the bag.
You find it?
which can be done with this.
And with this.
Whoever wants yogurt.
Come finish the hall and then you go to your cousins. Come.
What remain in this
Show
one?
them what else to
I need the
buy.
apple juice, yes, don't count the apple juice. Oh, we 4, so we take 4 apple juice.
You're an idiot.
We start to get 4, Tyler.
Yeah.
4 of everything.
Exactly.
Some sweet peppers.
Sweet pepper in there? Me see I use, that's why me buy.
What, Tyler? That's fine.
Come. What else is there?
Have it, Tyler.
Ty, come show them what else is in this bag.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry.
What else? Ty, take the things off the top. What is that?
Leaf for Mama.
Ty.
Rabbit food. Say rabbit food.
For Mama.
Ty. Rabbit food.
Yeah, she's a rabbit.
Rabbit food for mama.
Rabbit and more rabbit.
Rabbit food.
You believe them, Tyler?
Say rabbit food.
No,
for
that's
mama.
not true. Don't say
Yeah,
that.
this.
Say that's not true.
Rabbit food, more rabbit food and tin. Where you put flavor to your rabbit food?
I did this sleep for Mama.
Yeah, follow them, Tyler.
Rabbit food, more rabbit food, Tyler. So I know rabbit they like when it's. So I take it when they punch it. This is not for Mama because it's not rabbit that eat that. It's for Tyler and Papa.
Yeah, that's why I'm a rabbit food.
Yeah, no, not you. You're rabbit too. You taste rabbit.
Alright, what else is in there?
What is that? This is.
Ooh, it's for Marianne.
Let's leave that one, yeah?
I guess they'll pick up on that part.
Let's leave that one.
Some banana.
I'll tell you after.
Some banana for porridge, but not porridge.
No, that one is not for the porridge. It's this one for the
Green
porridge.
banana.
We're gonna make some green banana porridge.
He always almost make a mess
For Papa birthday cake.
for Papa birthday cake.
To tell her holding up
Did I have
Papa
no cake for my birthday? Tyler?
No, it's babe birthday cake. Babe birthday is Monday. Tyler on is Friday, so I can't buy Tyler cake as yet. So that's babe cake.
That's not for me for sure.
One more watermelon take up while
No, for your one poil, for me one not poil. You see, Lico? You not poil.
This is
10 pound worth of mango.
Tell me about it.
£1. Where is this tree?
Yeah,
That's
but
why
the
I take
point
only
is it's
three.
expensive. That's what I don't mean. in
That's why I
weight.
may take only
Talking
3.
about pounds.
Oh,
as in
she don't
money.
look at the price when she take. Oh, pounds the
The weight.
Yes.
Oh, what's that, honey?
sterling.
Honey, what is that in your hand?
This is rabbit food.
Cabbage.
Cabbage
Yeah,
is
don't
rabbit
listen to
food.
him.
That's why you
It's
give to
rabbit
cabbage. That's rabbit that you give to cabbage.
Says the person who likes the rabbit food with corned beef.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
some-
Thank you very much. What is that?
Some
A different color friend.
green fox.
What else is in there?
Absolutely zero.
And some corn. Some corn. 3, 4 corns, I guess. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corns with 4.
That's it? Alright, that's a little supermarket haul for today. Yeah. Look at these two. No.
Can I do
No poet poet.
What? Can I do like her? Can you measure us, please?
Not no time.
She can stand or walk.
None. She can't do either.
She can't do nothing.
No, she can't. Right now I have to do everything for her.
I want her to do something.
If you have a goat.
Uh-huh. What did you say? Hello? Hello? This baby girl, they're chilling and giving me a kiss. And a hug.
Watch your foot on her, please.
And let's do it to baby sister.
She's dead.
Hello, Zaza. Oh, I can kiss her.
You have to kiss her around here, not here.
got it?
No, I didn't get it. As you go too fast. Okay, go now.
Did you got it?
Yes, I get it.
Let me see.
See it there.
Why you did it all the time? This girl a pretty see. Cosa better capita.
I'm just thinking if I should go.
Mom.
Here is your baby, your big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.